Hello everyone! In this video, I will teach you how to sell on Facebook Marketplace for beginners. Simply go to Facebook Marketplace. Just click Sell to create a new listing. It can be an item, vehicle, or properties for sale or rent. Let us have an overview for each. In listing items, you can add photos, price, category, condition, description, edit your location, and select other listing options. In vehicle listing, you can add photos, vehicle type, year, make, model, phone number that they will contact, number of owners, location, price, and description. In listing properties, you can add photos, category, title, price, location, descriptions, and tags. To officially post your listings, just click Publish and wait for the Facebook to approve your listing so that you will be able to sell on Facebook Marketplace. That's how easy and fast it is. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for watching!